with Willamette Valley couponing. So, good news. I have a haul for you guys. It has been so long since I've actually done like a full-on Walmart Ibotta haul, and I'm so excited. This is a big one. It is $11.33 moneymaker. Super good haul. Although I think there was, if my store had them, or if I was able to kind of like leave and go further than my local Walmart, I could have done a lot better. But with just what I had at my Walmart, it really ended up being a super good deal. Several bonuses. There was the weekly essential bonus, a blossom, or is it blossom? A bloomin', sorry, a bloomin' bonus, and then a wine day. So if you have alcohol, wine, beer, spirits on your account, ends up being a pretty good deal with all those bonuses put together. And then with the offers that you get, ended up being pretty good for me. So for this haul, I used Ibotta, coupons.com, the app, and printable coupons, Swagbucks, and Fetch Rewards. Now my Fetch Rewards were super good because honestly I haven't been scanning receipts, and so like just to scan a receipt they gave me 3,000 points, which is awesome. So super good haul. I'll get to it. I had to get 15 offers. My weekly essential bonus needed 10, my bloomin' bonus needed 15, and then I needed 2 wine offers, wine, beer, or spirits offers. So all together I just needed to get 15 items. So the first one I did was for the Wii yogurt. It cost $1.22 out of pocket. Ibotta has 65 cents back on it, making it just 57 cents for the yogurt, which these yogurts are one of my favorites, and we saved the glass jars. We have a lot of them. So this next one is for, this next one is for the Dairy Gold Farmers Reserve butter. They're $2.84 each, and I had this coupon from a Smart Source that I have cut out, and it was way back, and I can't remember what coupon, what insert it came from. I just knew it was expiring soon. But it was a BOGO coupon, buy one, get one free. If you don't have that coupon, and like I said, I'm sorry, I cannot remember what insert that was from. The Smart Source 517 had a $2 off Farmers Reserve, so you could still do a deal pretty similar. So here's the BOGO. So buy one, get one free. I paid $2.64 out of pocket, or sorry, $2.84. And then Ibotta has 75 cents back on each one, making it $1.34 for the both of them, or 67 cents each. So a really good deal on the butter. This next deal is for the Epic pork rinds. These are $3.84. No, $3.28. I'm sorry, guys. $3.28. I paid that out of pocket. Ibotta's giving back $3.28, making them completely free. The next deal I did was for Red Vine's licorice. These are $1.18. I paid that out of pocket. Ibotta has 75 cents back on it, making it 43 cents. And then I picked up a Hershey bar. They're 88 cents. Ibotta has 25 cents back, making it 63 cents for the Hershey bar. So I got some really good, bad for you snacks. Okay, this next deal is pretty good, especially with it being Memorial Day weekend. So if you're planning to have a barbecue, here's a good deal for you. So the first one I have is for the buns. They're $1.98. I paid that out of pocket. Ibotta has 25 cents back on it. And then coupons.com on the app, you can submit your receipt and get 100% back up to $2 on any brand buns. So I went with the buns that were on Ibotta, so it counts as an offer, but it becomes a 25-cent moneymaker. And then for the ballpark dogs, they're $1.66. Ibotta has 70 cents back on them, making them just 96 cents. So honestly, this is a really good deal. So I went to Walmart yesterday and did part of my list, and then I went today and finished it up. One, I was getting frustrated because I couldn't find the things that I wanted. And then two, I wanted to do the Yellowtail wine again once it reset. So I went yesterday and I went today to finish up this haul. So what I did is day one, I bought a Yellowtail wine for $4.73. Ibotta has $1 back, making it $3.73. And then I repeated that deal today once it the offer reset. So $3.73 each of these, and then it gave me a $5 bonus for buying 2 wine, beer, or spirits offers. And then if I do it one more time, there's like additional bonus. I saw that there's actually like 3 stages of the Yellowtail. I don't know if I'll necessarily buy that many. Like the 3rd stage, I think is like buy like 15 Yellowtails. I don't know if I'll get that far. So this next deal is for the Kotex Barely There tampon, or not tampons, these are liners. $2.97. And I went to Kotex.com and I printed out a 50-cent coupon and it said excludes liners 15 to 22 count or something like that. So it should have worked, but it just wouldn't work at the cash register, and the lines are like long and social distancing, and I didn't want to like push it too much. So I just, you know, ate that 50 cents. So I don't know if it's just like the way my coupon printed. No, was it? I think I went to Kleenex. I think it was Kleenex.com where I got it. So it could have been a better deal if the coupon worked, or if I was able, I was in self-check, and the stores are crazy. You know, they're limiting the amount of people in. So I don't want to be too long. And, you know, I was using other coupons and stuff. I just felt bad, and I was like suffocating in my mask and drying out my contacts. So I just bypassed it. But so I paid the full price, so $2.97 out of pocket. Ibotta has $2 back plus a 10-cent any feminine product item, so that's $2.10 back, making it just 87 cents, which is a pretty good deal, especially if you know, like the product, which I do like these. So this next deal I did was for the Skintimate, such a funny word, Skintimate, razors. They are $5.97. On coupons.com, there's a $3 coupon that you could print. If you can't print before you go to the store, on coupons.com on the app, just hit it, add it to your offers, and then you can submit your receipt there as well. So I paid $2.97 out of pocket. Ibotta has $2 back, making it just just 97 cents. So I picked up the Suave deodorant. It's really not that great of a deal. I just needed an offer. It's $1.72. I paid that out of pocket. Ibotta has 50 cents back plus 10 cents for any deodorant. So it comes down to $1.12. Honestly, it's not that good a deal. I usually get all my deodorants free, especially at like Walgreens and stuff, for really, really cheap. But I needed an offer, and I didn't want to be in the store any longer than what I already was. So I just went ahead and picked this up. So this next deal is for the Dr. Scholl's bunion cushions. It was either like bunion cushions, corn removers, or padding. There's like a few different varieties that you could get. $4.47. Go to drscholl's.com and you can print out a $1 coupon. So I ended up paying $3.47. Ibotta has back $2 back, making it $1.47. So this next deal, in my breakdown, you'll see that I actually put them together and put the prices together. It's just easier that way for me to see it. But it's for the Claritin Chewable Cool Mint allergy medicine. I picked up a 24 count and then also the 8 count. And the reason that I did this is that on Swagbucks, when you buy the 24 count and the 8 count, you'll get back $18.25. So super good deal there. And both products, the 24 and the 8 count, are on Ibotta as well. The 24 count was like $19 and this one was about $9, somewhere around there, like give or take some cents. So for the both of these, it came to $29.74. It's a lot of money out of pocket, but it is definitely worth it in the end. Ibotta had $4 back on the 24 count and $2 back for the 8 count. So that's $6 back from Ibotta. $18.25 back from Swagbucks. And then after all that, well, before you go to the store, make sure you go onto the coupons.com on the app and add these offers to your in-store offers. And so when you do it before you go to the store, before you check out, because if you add those offers after you check out, it does not count. You have to click them before you check out. I've learned that the very like a hard way. But on the app there is I think it was $5 back for the 24 count and $3 back for the 8 count. So $8 back from coupons.com, making that these two a $2.51 moneymaker. So really good free money making allergy medicine. And consider allergy medicine so expensive, and my allergies have been terrible this year. So my last deal I did was the Easy Foil tin foil pans. It's either Easy Foil or Reynolds wrap, not Reynolds wrap, Reynolds brand, whatever. I just went with the cheaper one, and plus I love making mini loaves of like banana bread, and so does like everyone around. And I usually I like making mini loaves because I could do different flavors. I'll do just original banana, and then like a double chocolate banana bread, and then one with walnuts, and then that way everyone gets some banana bread flavors that they like. So I went with the mini pans. They were $2.18. I pay that out of pocket. Ibotta has $1 back, making it just Ibotta had $1.50 back, making it 68 cents, which is a pretty good deal. So that was all the offers I got. So I spent $65.55 out of pocket. It's a little high, especially coming back from not couponing really in a while. It was kind of like, whoa, that's a big sticker price, but it really pays off. So $65.55 from Ibotta, and just my offers, I got back $24.15. And then I hit my May level 1 bonus, 50 cents. I got the weekly essential bonus, which was $5. The wine day bonus, which was also $5. And then the Bloomin' bonus, which was $10. So total back from Ibotta was $44.65. From coupons.com, using the app, submitting my receipts, I got back $9.98. From Swagbucks, I got back $18.25. And then from Fetch Rewards, I got back just a little over $4. That was like a special bonus, like submit any receipt. And then just for buying brands that's on Fetch Rewards. So all together and all my rebates back, I got back $76.88. Making today a $11.33 moneymaker. Super good deal. I'm so happy that it's actually a good moneymaker, being my first time back. So that's my Walmart Ibotta haul. Super glad that it was a moneymaker. I'm not 100% sure if I'll be back to couponing on a regular basis. I just know that this weekend, with the $20 back in bonuses, I cannot miss it. If Ibotta keeps giving us decent bonuses and, you know, things are still, you know, looking up and, you know, healthy, then I might come back. But just keep an eye out. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button. That's notification. So when I do post again, you'll be notified when I do it. If you do not have any of the sites that I talk about, Ibotta, Swagbucks, coupons.com, Fetch. In my description box, I'll have links there for you to download it. Definitely Fetch and Swagbucks were super good to me this week. Fetch was awesome. I mean, I've never gotten a $3 special bonus for just submitting any receipt before. So that was pretty cool. It was, I think, because of the lack of not shopping and submitting receipts, but it was nice of them to definitely give me that. That's it for me today. I hope you guys have an awesome weekend and an awesome and fun and safe Memorial Day. And like I said, until my next video, you guys stay safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys later.